Yo, what is up YouTube? Chris Bejarano here again with another video for you guys. And yesterday I got a special delivery. This box came in the mail, and you know what time it is, baby. It's iPhone time. It's the iPhone XS Max. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. Alright, so let's get to opening this bad boy. It does come in a regular cardboard box with no type of foam. All that's holding the box in place is saran wrap, as you can see. And I did struggle to get this out of there, but after a while I managed to release it from its stronghold. Alright, so I finally got it out after, struggling for a little bit, but here is the iPhone. As you can tell, it's a little bit different from last year's box. But let's go ahead and open it and see what we got inside. Alright, here we go. Let's wiggle it a little bit, try to get that top off. Like all iPhones, here's your booklets. You got your start guide right there, how to navigate the new iPhone, and some other stuff. And you also got your SIM ejection toolkit. Let me get it out of there to show you guys a closer look. Alright, here it is. It is stainless steel, kind of like that edge on the iPhone. And here's some warranty stuff. Last but not least, we got the 2 stickers that always come with every Apple product. And here's what you all been waiting for, the iPhone XS Max. I don't know why, but that sound is oddly satisfying. But finally got the plastic off, and let's take a look around the device. Stainless steel edges, fingerprint magnets, by the way. There's that glass back, camera bump with the dual cameras and that new and improved flash. Up top you see that big old notch, and on the bottom we got the bottom firing speaker. As you can tell, the left is not symmetrical with the right because of this antenna band right here. See, it's got the camera module there on the notch and some other sensors for face unlock. In the box you got your AC adapter and your headphones, and of course at the back you get your USB cable. It's a shame they didn't put fast charging in this iPhone, seeing as it is the bigger iPhone and you're paying what, $1,000 something for this device. Anyway, let's just compare it to the old iPhone X box. I have it somewhere around here. Move this one to the side. Alright, here's the old iPhone X box, and I do have my headphones here as I don't use them. But as you can see, this one does come with that dongle, that $9 dongle that all iPhones came with prior to it. And the new one doesn't. So you're going to have to dish out $9 for that. Everything else is pretty much the same except for that little extra piece that Apple decided to withhold this year. Alright, if we take a quick look at the front of the box, you'll notice that on the right side, Apple has this wallpaper that could straight out see the notch. And on the left side, they chose this wallpaper to kind of hide that notch. Very smart advertising by Apple, but you still get that notch. Other than that, the boxes are pretty much the same, and that'll do it for this unboxing. So thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Peace.